Hello, my name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and I am the creator of the Travel Mentorship Program. I'm a travel physical therapist who, when I started to travel, realized that there really needed to be more information out there on the exact specifics of how to travel successfully, how to maximize your pay, and how to minimize your spending as a traveler. Because if you aren't savvy, traveling is not necessarily the right choice for everyone. And so throughout my career, I realized that certain decisions could really help me earn hundreds to even thousands of dollars more per year as a traveler, in addition to helping me gain incredible mentorship and earn freedom and flexibility like never before in the therapy profession. And so, inspired by my experience, I created the Travel Mentorship Program. And I really hope that you are considering signing up, but I'll show you what you get to hopefully inspire you to take the leap and join me in this amazing career route. So I've created 3 courses here. One is just like a little introduction. So I don't really talk too much about that in the mentorship program because the bigger courses that I provide absolutely for free is my ultimate course on travel healthcare, and that is basically your Travel 101 success course. It's going to walk you through how to interview, how to negotiate, how to plan your travel career, how to pick the right recruiter, the right company, how to ask them questions. And I've got PDFs and I've got resume templates and everything in there. It's got all the nuances like keeping track of your license and how does continuing education work as a traveler, and so much more. Even housing is in here. Then I also have a second course called How to Pay Off Your Loans with Traveling Healthcare. And this course walks you through, on a more specific scale, how to use traveling to maximize your earnings, how to use traveling to minimize your spending. And then I walk you through how to understand your student loans and how to understand what you need to pay to become debt free in a certain amount of time and how to get there. And I talk about all sorts of different things like optimizing your loan, optimizing your credit score, all the things that you need to do to make sure that you're paying off your student debt in the easiest, the simplest, the quickest, and also the cheapest way possible. And all these courses are offered 100% for free in my travel mentorship program. So let's take a little bit more of a deep dive into the courses. So this is my How to Pay Off Your Student Loans course with traveling. And I've got an introduction here. Then we've got a quick review of traveling in case you do want to skip the ultimate guide to traveling. This is basically how to travel in 5 minutes. And then in over 23-minute lecture, we're talking about how to structure your travel career even before you start traveling. A lot of specifics. I promise you, these are things that people aren't really talking about, but they really should. Then I go into how to earn more while traveling. And then lastly, I go into how to structure your debt repayment plan, your student loan repayment plan in the easiest, cheapest way possible. And then there's a big review here. This is over an hour and a half worth of content for you. Then we've also got the ultimate course on travel healthcare. This is about 2 hours as well. And this walks you through basically every step of traveling. So we do a travel overview here, and this is much more specific about traveling and the basics. So what is traveling overview? Why should you travel? Starting to plan your travel career and understanding your purpose behind traveling, because that really does affect how you choose your assignments and where you go for your assignments and even how you choose your housing. Then I go into the exact steps to start your travel career. So basically an introduction, then we go into requirements, how to choose your travel company and recruiter, your ideal recruiter, how to complete your travel application, how to basically create a really amazing resume, how to understand your job search and finalize that with your recruiter to make sure that it meets your goals and your demands, interview basics, acing the interview, how to choose assignments, understanding your pay. So we go into how is the travel pay package formulated and how to understand what you're getting and how to understand and maximize that pay. Contract and negotiations, so when to ask for a pay raise and all sorts of information to help you negotiate even higher salary. Then we go through the travel timeline, which I think is extremely important. A lot of people don't understand when they should start looking for their next assignment. So we go over that. Then we go into travel nuances. So that's housing, licensing, being organized and how to keep track of everything, specific things for new grads. If you want to change travel companies, I've got a lecture on that, keeping the most of your paycheck, and basically how to, as a traveler, be sought after. So instead of you pursuing travel assignments, how do you get companies to pick you and to pursue you? And then a basic conclusion. So I really think that this travel mentorship program is the complete package that you need to become a successful traveler. In addition to these courses, if you have any questions along the way with traveling, you can email me at debtfreept@gmail.com. You can even schedule a call with me. So when you sign up, I will give you my scheduling link so you can pick a call that is convenient for you. Once we start chatting, I'll even, if you want to text message me, Facebook message me, I'm open to all lines of communication that make it easy and convenient for you to get your questions answered. And then lastly, I connect you with 3 amazing recruiters that are going to work tirelessly to get you the dream travel job and jobs that you want to help you meet your goals. So I hope you are really interested in this travel mentorship program, and I hope you sign up. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at debtfreept@gmail.com, and I hope to see you in the program.